if you've had trouble installing Octane for Cinema 4D on a Mac, like I have for the past couple of months, then I've got a workaround that was shown to me by the OTOY support team. Big shout out to Bikram who helped me. I'm based in the UK and he's based in New Zealand, so for us to work this through was pretty difficult, but we finally managed to get through it. So one of the main issues that I had when I was running through Octane was every time I'd put the plugin exactly where it needs to be in the folder structure. So I'd put it in here. So under Cinema 4D, put it into plugins, and then take in the plugin and put it into this new folder. I'd be met with this or something similar to this. And so when you then open Cinema 4D, you're supposed to click on it and it will come up like this. And then you get your security and privacy settings and it will come up usually to allow access to Octane for it to then work. And then you can go ahead and then start using the plugin. However, in my specific case, it didn't happen. Nothing was showing up here. I'm currently using a work computer, so I don't know whether it's a firewall setting or anything like that, but we ran through one test and it didn't work. So he went back and asked his senior developers to then come back to me with a solution. And the solution that they found was something called to notarize the plugin. So what the workaround that they showed me was to notarize the plugin. And in order to do that, you need to find the location of where you've got the Cinema 4D plugin, open your terminal like I've got here, and type in XATTR space -CR, and then drag and drop the location of your folder into here, and then press enter. And then when you open Cinema 4D, magically it works. So I now have access to Octane on my Mac. Again, I've been trying this for the past 4 months or something, and I couldn't get the security preferences to ever show me to allow the plugin. So hopefully this is a quick workaround. I don't know if anyone else has had a similar issue, but yeah, just thought I'd share this. And big thanks to OTOY Support for finally getting this working. Thanks.